unfortunate that our brothers from Zimbabwe cannot play their home games in their home country. But we are very hopeful that they will be able to resolve it in the future. And as for Botswana being an option, look, we've always had good relationships as ZIFA and BFA. I take it you would remember that we were invited as ZIFA's guests in 2018 for the Independence Day game, and we hold ZIFA in high regards as a brother organization or a sister organization, whichever you may choose. And we do not have a problem. At the moment, we have not been approached by ZIFA to say whether or not they will need our help. But should they need our help or our assistance, I believe we would make the necessary arrangements and inquiries to ensure that they are given all the assistance, if any assistance at all, in terms of ensuring that they can play here. And up until ZIFA contacts us and gives us a word in terms of the need that they will have, we cannot say much on it, but we're very hopeful that whatever situation they find themselves with the regards to their pitches, we